So we are starting the Purge series. As you can see, this is my bedroom. I just have things all around. So I'm actually in a minimalist sort of phase as well. Hopefully over time this will whittle down because I am not purchasing any more scents. I normally go to Bed Bath, I don't know, forget the store, but it has all these wonderful scents and I love it, but I want to use up everything. I just don't, I just want to have a few things. As you all can see, this is where all of my comforters from the office went. I stored them here. I didn't really have anywhere else to put them. So what I'm likely to do is to keep one or two, I think keep the quilt and keep, I'm just going to go through and see what I'm going to either donate or sell. Um, so that's kind of it. So this is my room and these are my son's clothes and I folded them, and why are they still on? They've been on my bed for a few days. So it's time to, I have to return that little bear to one of his friends. And it's just stuff that's just languishing, guys. You know how things just kind of stay? But this is essentially, this is my room. And I need to fix that picture. It's like lopsided. Let's get started. Like I said, I am getting rid of makeup. So I'm keeping all of my good smelling, my perfume or my little body sprays. For this, I found a little organizer that I cleaned and I washed out and cleaned, and I may put my lip glosses in for now. Just to kind of clear this, to clear my dresser. I'm just kind of want to put things up. Like I said, the makeup, I'm just gonna have to. I haven't even worn it. It's like new. So a lot of things are. You see glasses. Okay. Ooh, maybe able to donate those. Okay, these are little cases. Oh wow, these are glasses. Some are Eric's. Oh wow, glasses here. Ooh. So these can be donated. I think I'm going to keep these. So I need to find another bag. So these are, I need to just get this off. I'm putting this in to donate. And I have some, what is this? I don't know. Oh, I was going to make some hair. This is my, okay, this is trash. This is going to be, okay, this is recycling. Okay, this goes in the bathroom. So that's kind of clear. There's a mess over here. So anything that goes donate. Okay, these are glasses. So comb. So literally organizing. Okay, what can go? This is a birthday present. This is stuff. away at cleaning my room, guys. I think that's my routine. Is like I fold clothes on the bed. I don't know who else does that. I don't do it downstairs in the basement where our laundromat. I don't really have a stand or a place to do it. But I'm just going through. I don't know if you guys remember this bag. This bag kind of got full of things. So I have a recorder, things that I'm gonna sort of donate. I gotta take the tape off and clean and then donate. I have these eyeglass things. So essentially part of, I'm over the nail polish, so I'm hoping someone can enjoy this. And there's just some really cool toys. I was going to save it for Eric's brothers, but he's like, Mom, they have enough things. So I'm just going to donate these really cool things. But I'm just in the process of just going through everything. And I think it can seem really overwhelming, guys, at times. But take your time. I forget which day. It's not as long as my bedroom. But I forget which day this is. Just take your time and go through and see what you... And re-look at things. I have some coins that I want to do, like a coin collection I used to do when I was younger. Okay, just watch. You can watch me kind of sort through some things. Found some glasses to donate. This makeup, I think I'm going to keep the makeup that I have, but I'm going to donate the makeup that I haven't opened. And I know there's some amazing people that can do... You got to look at the expiration date, but there's some amazing people that can make this work.